Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be fixing up my dirt jump for summer, and it doesn't look very good right now, so I'm just gonna make it a little bigger, a little farther gap, and a little better. So I'm not gonna video me changing it because that'll be pretty boring, just changing the dirt, but I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So this is what I've done so far. I just flattened it more and made it a lot wider and moved it back quite a bit. So now I'm gonna take the dirt from that jump because it's not very fun and there's a lot of dirt in that pile. I'm gonna put it all here and make a huge jump. So that's what I'm doing next. Okay, so I finished the jump and smoothed up the landing a bit. So I'm gonna try it now and hope it works. So yeah, that was pretty scary, but it was fun. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time.